We're at a time when Americans everywhere are asking some very tough questions about education. But it all comes down to one. What will it take to dramatically, not incrementally, but to dramatically improve the quality of education in our country? To this end, there's an urgent need to reimagine and remake career technical education. CTE has an enormous, if sometimes overlooked, impact on students, school systems, and our ability to prosper as a country. At the same time, we need a frank conversation about the challenges in the current system. At the heart of the matter is that CTE programs need to strengthen their rigor and their relevance and deliver better outcomes for our nation's young people. And today I want to help define the conversation about the future of CTE. For far too long, I think CTE has been a neglected part of the reform movement, and that neglect must stop. But focusing more attention on CTE also means committing to increased innovation, rigor, and results. At a time when everybody, state, local, and federal governments are all struggling financially, CTE advocates must make a compelling case for continued and increased funding going forward. To accomplish these things, the mission of CTE will have to change. It can no longer simply be about earning a diploma and landing a job after high school. The goal of CTE 2.0 should be that students earn a post-secondary credential or an industry-recognized certification and land a job that leads to a successful career. There's a lot of talk these days about the need to boost college and career readiness. But the truth is that most people, and I include myself here, have focused primarily on college readiness. Too often, career readiness has been an afterthought. Yet a career-ready student must also have the knowledge and skills that employers are going to need from day one on the job. That means having critical thinking and problem-solving skills, an ability to synthesize information, solid communication skills, and the ability to work well on a diverse team. So I start with the basic premise that is the responsibility of K-12 educators to prepare all students both for college and for a career. This must be both and, not either or. For all of its importance, the role that CTE plays in building the nation's economic vitality often gets overlooked. Too many educators assume that career and technical education training is for the last century and not for this one. Many reformers treat CTE somehow as old school rather than as a potential source of cutting-edge preparation for the careers of today and tomorrow. In the new CTE we are working towards, all career and technical education programs will serve as viable and rigorous pathways to post-secondary and workforce success.